Hey guys, it's Jemoni Ashae and I'm back with y'all with another video. And today's video is a get ready with me / things I wish I would have known before I got out of high school, or basically things I should have known or wish I would have known before my 20s. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell as well. Leave a like and a comment down below. All right, let's get into this video. But guys, just take it from me, it is a learning process. You will get through it. It will be scary. I'm not even gonna lie, it will be scary. But you got this. Just know that you got it, and you got it. You got it. It is gonna be a learning process. Things may get hard for you. And things may get easy for you, but just be prepared to know that, you know, it's not going to be a walk in the park. It's not going to be peaches and cream, okay? It's not. But yeah, I feel like I'm trying to see if there's anything else that I haven't touched up on, that I wanted you guys to know about schools, making sure you don't get scammed, because they are out there and they are ready to get you. And like I said before, having a credit card is not bad. It's not bad, and don't look at it as it being bad. Just make sure that you know that you're responsible enough before you get the card. If you know that you're not responsible enough to get the card, don't get it. Don't even use it, because they get you when you turn 18 years old. All of these credit card people will be after you. It's like they know as soon as you turn 18 that they just come at you with everything. And another thing about credit, guys, is in order for something to come off of your credit, you either have to pay for it, or I know student loans do not come off your credit. You have to pay that off. Now things like credit cards and hospital bills and stuff, it takes up to 7 years. 7 years to come off of your credit if you haven't paid for it. It takes a really long time for it to come off, and yeah, and you have to reestablish your credit again, because your credit is going to be so low. Your credit is going to be so low, you're going to have to reestablish your credit. Just make sure that you're taking good care of your credit. And if you do go to school, make sure you're finding a school that is for you and nobody else. Don't let anybody make decisions for you. I know it might be mean, or it's not even mean. It's just being upfront, because this is your life. This is your life. And I would say it's I would say when you turn 18, that's when it officially becomes your life. That's when your parents is not in charge of you anymore, or they're not over you, so they can't go to jail for you. That's when you have to make some hard decisions and think about your life, and that's when you have to put it into perspective to everybody around you. Don't let nobody try to talk you into doing things that you don't want to do. Don't let them. Don't let them. And what else? I would say to save, because a lot of people don't know that when A lot of people don't know that when they go to college, if you don't use all of that money, financial aid and stuff will send you money to use for your living. You can get your own place. You can get your own place and start putting down on a house. That money that they give you, it's for you to live with, to pay your books, anything that you need in school. That is what that financial aid is there for you. It's for you to help you, to better you, and to get you where you need to go. It will pay for your living. Again, it will pay for your living. You can also even get a car with that too if you want to. Just make sure that you're taking the necessary steps that you need. But it can get you what you want. It can get you what you want. And I would say, especially if you're getting like a huge sum of money, I would go ahead. Why not? Go ahead, put down and invest. Oh my God, that is what I did not talk to you guys about. Invest in something that you truly believe. Like, invest your money. I don't know how much I can say this, but my dad growing up, he was always like, invest your money, invest your money into things, into some good things, and let it work for you. You know what I'm saying? Because by this time, if I would have invested in a lot of certain things back then, I probably wouldn't even had to worry about, things right now that I'm worrying about. I probably would have been way better off with not even worrying about investing at all. I wouldn't even probably had to invest anything at all. Guys, I know this looking a mess, but I got it. This is just how I do my makeup. It's just crazy, but I swear it'll blend out. It will blend. I'm gonna force it. Force it to blend. But invest your money, make smart decisions. And I don't know if y'all have heard of crypto. Crypto is one of the biggest things that I feel like people need to invest in at this age and at this time. It is gonna be a huge part of life, and I feel like, to be honest, it is gonna take over money. I feel like crypto is our new form of money that we will be switching over to. Maybe not in 5 years, maybe not in 10 years, or maybe in 5 years, or maybe in 10 years. We will be headed there. But at least if you invested a little something, even if you take out, maybe I would say $100, maybe even 10. Some people don't even have $100, because trust me, when I first started investing, I didn't have $100 to invest. I took out maybe like $10 or $20 from my check and invested it and put it into cryptocurrency. And I've been, ever since then, I have been adding on to it, or I have been investing and looking into other projects that I'm interested in. It does not have to, and it doesn't have to even be crypto. It can also be in stocks like Amazon and Tesla. They are not going away, guys. They are not going away. They will be there, for the long run and the long term. Think of businesses that that you use every day, where you feel like they're not going anywhere. Even Walmart. No time soon is Walmart going anywhere, y'all. I would invest in it. They are getting bigger and bigger. Even Tesla, even Amazon, where I think they're actually partnering up with Grubhub and all of these other places to, you know, get their stuff out there even more. Mind y'all, I do extra. I'm sorry. I do extra because I like that brightened look underneath my eyes. And especially if I put on too much of the concealer. I want to bring that brightness back into my face. I just be doing whatever, y'all, with my makeup, to be honest. I just do what I feel like looks good. To be honest. And yeah, I think those are some definite milestones and things that I feel like people should know and people should look at, especially if you're young. It does not, you don't have to be, older to invest. You can be young, and the best thing to do is to be young and invest. I'm telling you now, you won't regret it. I'm using the matte spray again. Ooh. And mind you guys, I'm not finished quite yet. I still have to put my blush on, and then I'll spray again. I usually put my blush on, and I put this is CoverGirl Clean Professionals, and this is in number 115. This is the translucent medium, and this is the one that I use. But I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of blush on and a little bit of highlighter as well. And I'm gonna put it this. But guys, I'm sorry. I just want y'all to let y'all know that y'all do not have to be older to invest. And even if you don't know what to do, ask somebody who is willing and who's going to help you, because I'm telling you, there's somebody out there who is willing to help you. Even as I'm saying this now, you can watch somebody on YouTube. That's what I go to. If I need help with anything, I go to YouTube, and YouTube really helps me. YouTube really helps me. And they have good people on there who's willing to help, who's wanting to help, who's doing this, and who's teaching you this for free. So don't look at it as a bad thing. Look at it as a learning experience, and definitely learn. YouTube is a tool to help you in life and to help anybody in life. You know, I definitely recommend it. You know, and even YouTube, I would invest. YouTube is not going anywhere anytime soon. Nowhere anytime soon. So those are things that I would just look into, guys, and see and make your own, you know, decisions and stuff about it, and what you think is gonna be good for you. All right, guys, I am basically done. I'm just putting this translucent powder on, and I put it all on my face, all over, because I like when it sets, and I definitely love that matte look. That is what I'm going for, with just like a little pop of color. And guys, I never stopped using Carmex. Like, I absolutely love Carmex. Been using it for years. And I pop a little bit on, especially if I don't want color, because my lips are already pink and gives off a pink look that matches my my eyeshadow. So I don't necessarily have to put any lipstick on. Just some gloss. Just some gloss. Let's see. Alright guys, so this is my final look with my lashes on. And I hope y'all liked this get ready with me slash basically things I wish I would have known, things that I wish were taught to me. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see y'all again. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, also hit that notification bell as well. Leave a like and a comment down below.
Don't say I realized too late.